Okay, beta. So today we are going to explain this particular part with the help of some examples also. Okay. So what exactly the perimeter means? We can simply write down the sum of all the sides. The sum of all the sides of any shape. Okay.
Any shape.
Yes, means any shape can be given to you, and if you are going to find out the perimeter, so it means you have to add the length of all the sides altogether. Okay, beta. Or simply what we can say, one more definition can occur here. Simply what we can say, that the boundary of any shape, boundary, boundary, boundary of any shape,
Of any shape.
shape or figure you can say. Okay, boundary of any shape can be termed as perimeter. Okay, so here ma'am is going to give you one example. Arsh Malik, keep your camera on, beta. Arsh, keep your camera on. Okay, so ma'am is going to draw one figure for you. Suppose I have drawn this. Can you tell me what is it? Can you tell me?
Rectangle.
This is rectangle. You know this thing? And what is the special quality related to the rectangle? Yes. One special quality is there, no? Yes.
There are two sides equal.
Yes, and these sides and these equal sides is known as opposite sides. So simply what we can say, the opposite side. Yes, means opposite side of this is this. Yes or no? And opposite side of this is this. I hope it is clear.
Yes,
Okay, and suppose this side is 5 centimeter. Suppose this side is 5 centimeter. So it is understood that the opposite side will definitely 5 centimeter. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
and suppose this side is 2 centimeter. So what will be the opposite side?
2 centimeter.
Obviously it will be same as 2 centimeter. Okay, so beta, when we are going to find out the perimeter of this particular shape is already given to you, and shape can be anyone. Okay, it can be square, it can be rectangle, it can be triangle, or it can be any other shape. Okay, so if we are going to find out the perimeter, what we are going to do here, we are going to sum of all sides, sum of all sides. So here 4 sides are given, so we are going to add all the 4 sides to find out the perimeter. Okay, okay Ashna, and okay Anvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how we are going to do this, to find out the perimeter of this particular shape. Okay, yes, so what we have done according to the definition, what we are going to do, we are going to add all the sides. Okay, we are going to add all the sides, or simply this is the boundary of this shape na. Aapko boundary nazar aa rahi hai na? We are going to add its boundary, all the length of this boundary. Okay, so what we can do, we are going to add 5. We are going to add 5.
5
Then second side is that is also 5. Then third side is 2, and the fourth side is
2.
that is also 2. So 4 sides we are already added here. Yes or no? Now we are going to find out the answer after addition. Can you tell me the answer? G.
Ma'am, the answer is 14.
14. So answer will be 14 centimeter. It is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What we have done here, we have only add all the sides. We have only add all the sides. Okay, to find out the perimeter. Is it simple or not?
Simple.
It's so simple. It's so simple. Okay. So suppose we can change the shape here. Ma'am is going to take one more example. And this time you will tell me that how we are going to find it out. Okay. Sakipreet, unmute yourself. Ashna, Anvi, you can mute better now. Yes, Sakipreet.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम आई हैव अ क्वेरी मैम, मेरे को ये
Yes.
वाला समझ नहीं आया.
Means how we are going to find out the perimeter? This one.
यस मैम.
Okay, beta. Again, ma'am is going to repeat. Okay. So suppose what is the perimeter? What I have written, can you read from the screen?
Yes ma'am, the sum of all the sides of any shape or
Here.
boundary of any shape.
Yes. So we can stick over here only like sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides. So here the shape is rectangle. Okay. And the sides. How many sides are here? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, 4.
4 sides and sum of all sides. It means we are going to add. Sum means we are going to find out the sum. So it means we are going to add all these sides. So we are going to add all these sides. जितनी भी sides होंगी सारी आपको add करनी है. ठीक है? So here we are having only 4 sides. So that's why we are going to add. We are going to add these 4 sides. So what we have done here, we have add all these 4 sides. Means 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2. These are the different length of the different sides now. So that's why we have added all
Yes,
these
ma'am.
sides. And here our overall answer is 14. And this is called the perimeter of this shape. Okay.
Okay ma'am, but ये जो
Yes.
आपने numbers लिखे हैं 5, 5, 2, 2,
Yes.
मैम ये निकालने कहाँ से है?
Beta, this is already given with the figure. ये figure आपको नजर आ रही है? जी.
Yes ma'am.
So here we have already given. मैम ने दी है ना आपको? That the length of
Yes,
this
ma'am.
side is 5 centimeter. This side is 2 centimeter. This side is 5 centimeter and this one is 2 centimeter. That is already given in the question. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
Okay. So suppose in this particular example, we know that this is a rectangle. So only one side will be given. Only one side will be given. So it is understood that the opposite side will be definitely equal. Yes or no?
Yes ma'am.
And similarly, suppose this 2 centimeter is given, so we are again going to understand that the opposite side will be definitely 2 centimeter. Okay. And suppose here
Yes,
ma'am
ma'am.
is going to take one more example. Okay. And this side ma'am is going to take this shape. So can you tell me which shape is this? Which shape
Ma'am,
is this?
square.
Square. Okay. And here it is given that the one side is 3 meter here. One side is 3 meter.
3 meters.
If it is a square, so it is understood that all the sides of this square will be yes, Akipreet. If it is a square, so what is the special quality of this square? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, all the sides are same.
Exactly, all the sides are equal. If one side is 3, so it means it is understood that this side will be definitely
3
3 and this
3
side
meters.
this side will be definitely what?
3 meters.
Yes, and the fourth side different हो जाएगी?
Ma'am.
No, so it will be definitely 3 also. Okay, so
3.
suppose when we are going to find out the perimeter, so in that case we can write down it as addition of all the sides. Okay, sum of all the sides we have already
ma'am.
discussed. So we are going to find out perimeter. So this time you will tell me, Sakipreet, what sides we are going to add here. Quickly tell me.
Ma'am, 3 plus 3
Exactly, 3 plus 3. Yes.
and 3 plus 3.
Again 3 plus 3. Yes or
3.
no? So what will be the answer?
Yes ma'am.
What will be the answer after addition of all these sides? G.
Ma'am, 12.
12. So 12 will be your answer. But here we have to write down the unit also. And the unit is meter. Okay, so we are going to write down 12 meter as the answer. And this is our perimeter. Actually, it is so simple. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes ma'am.
So simple to find out. Any shape is given. Any shape can be given to you and you have to find out the perimeter. Okay. Now I will tell you the formulas to find out the perimeter. But But before doing that, we must understand the concept. That's why I have given these examples to you, that how we are going to find out the perimeter. Okay, but here ma'am is
Yes.
going to give one more example. Okay, and for that, Sakhi, please, you have to mute yourself. And this time Arjun will give me the answer. Arjun, are you ready?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you, beta. Arjun, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Arjun, this time ma'am is going to give you one shape. Suppose ma'am has written down like this. Okay, and ma'am has drawn the second side like this. Okay, and here ma'am has drawn the third side. Okay, and here ma'am has drawn the fourth side. Fourth side ma'am ne draw ki. Okay, and then I have drawn the fifth side like this. Okay, now ma'am is going to write down here the exact length. Okay, beta. So here, suppose this is 3 centimeter, 3 meter le lete hain, 3 meter. Okay, and this one is 5 meter. Okay, Arjun.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and this one is 2 meter. Suppose we are just supposing. Okay, this side is suppose again 3 meter. Okay, and this side is 4 meter. I hope it is clear. All the sides are clear and all the lengths are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sarthak Pal, keep your camera on. Sarthak Pal, quickly keep your camera on, bache. Okay, so Arjun, when we are going to find out the perimeter, okay, here no particular shape is given to you. This is an irregular shape. Okay, so here ma'am is going to find out the perimeter. Okay, so what simply we are going to do? We are going to add all the sides. Yes or no, Arjun?
Yes, ma'am.
We are going to add all the sides, and here 5 sides are given. Yes or no? Can you tell me the different length of these sides? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Advitya, come in front of camera. You are not visible. Yes. Okay, Arjun. Quickly tell me the different length of different sides. Yes. So here, tell me any of the one side. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
one side is 5 meter.
5. Okay. So here ma'am is going to write down 5. Okay. Next one. Next
2
one.
meter,
2 meter. Okay. Next one.
3 meter,
3 meter. Very good. Next one.
4 meter,
4 meter.
and 5
Okay.
meter, and 3
And-
meter.
And the next one is 3 meter. Okay, clear? 5, 2, 3, 4, and 3. All the sides we have taken. All the sides we have
Yes.
taken because we are going to find out the perimeter. So that's why we have to take all the sides. कोई side skip नहीं कर सकते हो आप, ठीक है? We have to take all the sides. So can you tell me what will be the addition? What will be the addition? Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes.
17 meter.
17 meter. So 17 meter is what? क्या निकल के आया आपका? 17 meter means this is the
Addition.
addition, but this addition is known as what?
Perimeter.
Perimeter. Yes. So it means we can say the boundary of this particular shape, that is 17 meters. So simply we can say the perimeter of this shape is 17 meters. Okay, beta, I hope it is clear. I hope it is
Yes,
clear.
ma'am.
Now we are going to
Yes, ma'am.
take the examples from your book also. Okay, beta? It is clear?
Yes.
Okay, beta.